In order to connect printer on Realme 14T, first of all we can go to settings. In these settings we can choose connection and sharing, and then we want to go to print. And first we can start with default print service, where we can try to find available printers over here. You can also press this plus button in the top right corner in order to try to search by IP address, or you can search for Wi-Fi direct printers. And you might be able to find your printer over here and connect with it. However, if you have some issues with finding your printer or connecting, you can also choose Add Print Service in order to go to the Play Store, the Google Play Store, and you might need to download additional app that is made, of course, for printers of specific manufacturers. Now, in this case, you might just need that in order to connect the printer. However, in some other cases, and most of the time actually, printers have their own apps. So you might need to check the user manual of your printer in order to find out which app you need to specifically download for your printer, and then, well, follow the instructions that you can find on the user manual, because in every case we have a different way to connect the printer. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.